Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video we will be learning how to log into Vaughn's with phone number. You can easily log into Vaughn's account with email option or the mobile phone option. In this video we are going to show you how you can log into your Vaughn's account with mobile number. So here's how you can do it. First of all, open your web browser and then go to the URL box and type in vaughns.com. Once you end up in the official website for Vaughn's, go to the upper right corner and click on the sign in/sign up button. Now in the expanded menu, click sign in, and then when it asks you to enter your credential, type in your mobile phone number. Click on the continue button. On the next page, you will need to enter the password associated with your Vaughn's account. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by clicking the forgot password link and following the prompts. After filling in both of your phone number and password correct, click on the sign in button. Soon after you press sign in, you will be able to log in back to your account with phone number. So that is how you can easily use phone number to log into your Vaughn's account in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.